Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. I've been using backpacks of the so-called tactical kind for many years. For commuting to work, going to the gym, outdoor activities, and also when I was serving in the Swedish Home Guard. I find them very useful, a lot of compartments, ways to strap things on the outside with the MOLLE fastenings, and in general good ergonomics. After a couple of snorkeling trips where my bags got thoroughly soaked, I started looking for something more water resistant. I stumbled upon the Subtech Drypack 38 liters. And to be clear, I'm not sponsored anyway, I paid for this with my own money. This pack retails for about 2,500 Swedish kroner, equivalent of 230 euros and 230 US dollars. Measurements of the bag. It is a 38 liter bag, but it's compactable to about 8 liters. It's 51 centimeters high, 31 centimeters wide, and when you expand it the most, it's about 29 centimeters deep. It weighs 1.6 kilos. The bag is constructed of a waterproof TPU 1000D Cordura. I'm not really sure what it means, but it's quite water resistant. All the zippers are welded, which gives it some water resistance. All the buckles are made from aluminum, so it's very light and strong. The so-called Cobra buckles makes it easy to latch the straps. So, what compartments do you get with this? From back to front, there is a waterproof computer compartment. There is the large compartment has two open pockets and one zippered. The middle compartment has a smaller pocket for a loose little thing. The large outside compartment has one zippered compartment and a smaller open one for pens and such. And there's a small top compartment, really great for sunglasses, keys and wallet. The shoulder straps are of course adjustable. They can be expanded quite a lot if you're wearing a lot of clothes or you need to carry a lot of gear underneath the backpack. There are load lifters at the top if you want to adjust the angle. Not a lot, but if you're carrying something really heavy and need to do some fine adjustment, you can use these. The chest strap is adjustable both in width and you can adjust the heights of it. On the top you have a carrying handle. It comes with a hip belt that is detachable, as you can see. I prefer not to use this unless I carry something really heavy. When it comes to comfort, the back is padded and so are the shoulder straps. It's quite comfortable to carry and I think it's very ergonomic. It works very well for me. My back does get warm in this, but so does all backpacks unless it's an external frame that gives an airflow in between, so no surprise there. There are MOLLE panels on both the front here and on the sides. There are two straps on each side that is used both for compacting the bag, but you can also strap things like a sleeping mat or a camera tripod. On the bottom there are two straps for if you want to attach a sleeping pad or a sleeping bag. On the front top compartment there is a Velcro mat for attaching those morale patches we all like. The right shoulder strap has a small little buckle for hanging things in, and the left shoulder strap has an elastic band for example for your hydration system. When it comes to details, all the straps have these little elastic bands that you can help fastening your straps so they don't flap around. All the zippers have paracord attached to make it easier to grasp the zippers. Now it's quite water resistant. I have worn it out in heavy rains with no leakage inside. I used it when I went diving on Crete this summer, riding in a boat that splashed a lot and everything was quite dry inside. Also, if you put wet clothes into one compartment, that doesn't leak into the other compartment, so it keeps your stuff dry. I wanted to test the water resistance fully by really dunking it into water. I didn't have any moisture measuring tools, but I stuffed it with some paper tissues to check it out. Now this is wet. There's water inside here. Water. Water in the bottom. Pretty okay in the largest one. And let's see the computer compartment here. And the computer compartment is dry. That's quite good. So what are the cons with this? Well, for being a small backpack, it's quite heavy at 1.6 kilos. But when you get it on your back, you don't really notice it. It is a little pricey for this size, but it seems you get a lot of quality. I have been using it for 5 months now, and it works really good. So what are the pros with it? Well, I feel it's ergonomic. It works very well for me. It is adjustable from 38 liters to, yeah, quite small, 8 liters they say. It is compatible with the carry-on restrictions on airplanes. There are lots of pockets for organizing your gear. And subjectively, it feels very durable. It is water resistant with a waterproof computer compartment. So all in all, it's good protection for your gear. So to sum it up, I've been using it for about 4 or 5 months now. Using it in my daily commute with carrying my computer and work things, carrying my lunchbox, my gym clothes. I've been taking it to the beach, strapping on all my snorkeling gear and everything I need there. I had it as a carry-on airplanes with a computer, iPad, books and everything I need to keep me busy for a few hours. I've used it as a day pack to carry food and my camera equipment. I've used it for overnighting, carrying my sleeping bag, a bivy bag, camping stove and food and everything I need for an overnight. I've had several tactical backpacks before. They're a little bit lighter, they're cheaper. Some I've had for more than 7 years, they work fine. But with this, I get the water resistant. It doesn't leak in the rain. It protects my stuff when I'm out on boats. And also carrying wet stuff in it doesn't get me wet or doesn't leak into other compartments. So all in all, I'm quite happy with this, and I would recommend it if you're looking for something similar. So, thank you for watching. If you like this, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.